So guys, andito na si Itel S23 4G, ang kapatid ni S23 Plus, na mas mura na at masulit sa halagang 3,999 pesos para sa kanyang base variant. Meron ka ng 90Hz refresh rate, powered by Unisoc Tiger T606 at 50 megapixel main sensor na. Despite sa hype ni Itel S23 Plus, can this be a steal for under 5K? So let's find out in our unboxing and full review. So if you're new sa ating channel, supportahan mo naman ma-reach ko ang first 1K subs by becoming a subscriber. And please hit the bell icon na rin para ma-notify ka naman pag may bago tayong upload. Mostly sa inyo that is watching this video ay hindi pa rin nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel. So isang click lang yan guys, so baka naman. And also, I have a giveaway to a 1 lucky subscriber, so please make sure to watch my previous video so you will know how to win. So hit that subscribe button guys, it helps you get more contents and reviews like this, and also helps me create more contents like this as well. So it's a win-win situation naman. So tara, unbox na natin to. So let's talk about the design. It has a plastic back pero glossy finish naman at super elegant itong white guys. At first glance, di mo akalaing mumurahin lang tong device na to. So nandyan din yung kanyang branding with the circular camera module, and it houses the 50 megapixel main sensor. At di ako sure kung ano itong second camera, but it could be a depth sensor kasi di rin sinabi ni Itel sa website nila kung ano ito. Let's just call it a single camera setup na lang, along with the LED flash. So 50 megapixel yung kanyang rear camera and 8 megapixel selfie cam. Take a look at some sample shots I took on the main and selfie cam. Photos are okay naman, but as you can see, dynamic range is very poor and highlights can be overblown. But colors are fine, pero again, this is a under 5K phone and di naman siguro camera hanap mo dito guys. So overall, okay lang. Wag na masyadong mag-complain sa quality kasi usable naman lalo na pag may enough lighting condition. Sa video capabilities naman, it can shoot up to 1080p at 30 FPS. The quality looks okay. Overall, okay na yan para sa kanyang price. Take a look at each sides. It's very flat, guys. It's a plastic frame. Sa kanyang bottom, nandyan si USB Type-C port, si speakers, noise cancelling mic, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So, job well done kay Itel. When it comes to quality ng kanyang speakers, pretty decent naman kahit naka-single speaker lang. So, take a listen dito. Sa right side naman, nandyan si power button / fingerprint scanner. Also, nandyan din si volume rocker. Wala naman sa itaas. Sa left side, nandyan si SIM tray na may dual nano SIM at micro SD card slot that is expandable up to 256GB. Build quality is decent. It has a thickness of 8mm and weighs about 195 grams. So it's not that thick and weight is a bit heavy but still offers excellent grip, which I also love about this device. Tsaka it's not slippery, so I never had issues with holding the phone or in need of some case. So for the one we have here is the mystery white. At a cool feature this one, guys, has is the color changing feature. It changes color kapag naarawan. As you can see, it kind of changes into light pinkish or may pagka-purple. I mean, guys, at this price, may ganitong feature na which you can mostly see this sa mga mid-range or higher-end devices, but talagang solid tong nilagay ni Itel dito. Kasi kahit glossy finish siya, pero di masyadong halata yung fingerprint magnets or fingerprint touches dito kasi white naman ang kulay ng kanyang back. Overall, the design is very impressive, though again guys, this is very subjective naman, but in my opinion, I'm impressed with its design, including the build quality. I quite love its glossy finish plus adding the color changing feature with the excellent look and feel that this device gives. This is not your typical entry-level phone in terms of design, kaya guys, sobrang solid nito. So, you will not going to think that this is only under 4,000 or under 5,000 device. Pagdating naman sa display, it has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD panel na naka HD Plus lang, and it supports 90Hz refresh rate. I really love how entry-level phones now are releasing a 90Hz screen refresh rate, which is a great deal now for most devices in this price range. Quality is fine for its price. You have to consider guys that this is only under 5K phone. But colors looks vibrant naman, details are okay na din. Wala akong complain masyado sa display quality, but dun nga lang sa kanyang screen brightness. Though it has a 500 nits peak brightness, but my issue is it does not support auto mode on the brightness, which is a big deal for me kahit nasa price range na to. Sa bezels naman, they are quite thick as well as the chin, and also has the water drop notch. Yes, it's 2023, water drop notch pa rin, but guys, this is an entry-level phone for under 5,000, under 4,000, so wag na kayong mag-inarte dyan ha.
Stop it. Get some help.
So maganda ba ang display? I say yes. Overall display quality is okay at may kasamang screen protector pa yan, so good job kay Itel. During sa usage ko, wala akong complaint sa display quality niya. Actually, it is excellent pa nga, mapa-YouTube man or playing games. It's very nice ang kanyang display. sa output and also the smoothness din ng kanyang 90Hz screen refresh rate. But may issue ako sa responsiveness, but we'll explain it to you in a bit. Sa battery naman ni S23 4G, it packs by a 5000 mAh battery na may 10 watts charging capability. And yes, very low comparing to other devices within this price range. But battery life, as what I experience, is very excellent naman kahit na I'm using the full 90Hz, playing 1 to 2 hours of gaming and then light to moderate usage like social media and streaming. It can almost last a full day on a single charge lang. Sa charging speed test naman, it took me about 2 hours and 12 minutes from 0 to 100. Usapang performance naman, it is powered by Unisoc Tiger T606 processor and a Mali G57 MP1 GPU. Sa Antutu benchmark, this is what we got. And for the throttling test. For actual gaming performance, I tested it first sa Mobile Legends, sa settings naka ultra graphics and super naman sa kanyang frame rates. And performance is smooth, minimal frame drops lang naman at sa temperature di naman concerning ang init niya. Sa Call of Duty Mobile naman, up to medium lang ating graphic settings at high frame rate. Actual performance looks okay, yun nga lang, you can really notice the frame drops at certain gameplay. But overall performance is pretty decent for its price. Sa Firelight 84, graphic settings is until balanced lang. Frame rate can support up to very high at resolution naman up to high settings. Actual performance is also pretty decent. Again, may minimal frame drops during intense gameplay. And thermals are okay. Next time guys, I will have to get a temperature device so we can actually see the real-time temperature ng ating device. Sa Genshin Impact naman, naka-low by default and we can use medium settings naman and medium resolution is playable naman. But it's really hard to play at this settings so might just to stick to the lowest settings to ensure smoothness sa ating gameplay. Again, may minimal frame drops but overall playable na playable si Genshin Impact. Bonus gameplay, I tried it with Diablo Immortal, naka medium settings at 30 FPS and very playable din. Sa software naman, naka Itel OS based on Android 12, so naka Android 12 pa rin guys. But Itel OS looks cleaner to me compared to its sister company like Tecno and Infinix's custom OS. It has less bloatwares and during my time with this device, medyo optimized naman but I did had issues with navigation. So eto na, when closing apps, I have to swipe up twice to close an app for a few moments pero smooth naman overall and it's very customizable yung UI niya. Sa configuration, it has options for 4GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM. And sa storage naman ay may 128 or 256GB of storage with UFS 2.2. Overall performance is pretty decent for its price considering that this is only under 5K and it offers smooth gaming in an above average performance. Napaka-solid naman talaga, but there are some hiccups sa software and its support, but paying less than 5K for this device, I would not much have complained, but just letting you guys know what you can expect from a budget level phone. Now for the pricing, the 4 and 128GB of variant is priced at 3,999 pesos. The 8 and 128GB of variant is priced at 4,499 pesos. while the 8x5 6GB of variant is priced at 4,999 pesos, and it is available in 3 different color variants. Now for the conclusion, would I recommend this device to someone looking for a budget device but offers excellent features including performance, battery life, as well as good looking design? Yes, definitely. Here are the pros. A 90Hz refresh rate, which is excellent offer under 5K category. You can also throw in the good performance. And lastly, the build and design quality. But sa cons naman, you have to consider the not so okay camera and also the software support from these Transsion brand phones and also the slow charging speed. Overall, si Itel S23 4G is a bang for the buck device that offers some features on lower tier, mid-range, or upper budget level phones. And you can't believe that this is only priced at 3,999 for the base variant. A well-balanced build quality and performance that can easily put the S23 4G ahead of its competitors on the same price range. Talagang solid tong device na to for its price, so guys, let me know in the comments down below which feature you like about the S23 4G. So this has been Gino of Gino Tech Reviews. Bye bye.